Hi, welcome to Searcy.com. This is Matt Faulkner, owner and creative director of Think Advertising, and today I'm going to be showing you how to upload and create a free classified with our classifieds feature here on Searcy.com. And the first step is to simply log into your account. You can do that in the upper right hand corner of your screen, or you can do that from the classified section, and I'm going to show you how to do that from the classified section. So click on classifieds. You can choose any of these categories in here if you want to, but simply just log into the login page by clicking the word login. If you don't already have a Searcy.com account, you can create a new account from right here. I'm going to use my wife's. Her name is Shelly, and then you just type in your password. There we go, and then you click the word login, and this is going to bring you up to your user account homepage. And there's lots of instructions and things to do from your user account homepage. You can read through that. But I want to take notice here on the left-hand column are the different functions that you can do with your user account. And here it also says create a classified, so that's where I'm going to click. There we go. And then you need to have a title for your classified. And I would recommend using something descriptive of the item that you're wanting to post or sell or whatnot. And that way, this is what the verbiage that'll show up on the home page of the site, and so you want it to represent what you're trying to do. So I'm going to just say Sony tape deck HDV for sale, and that way people know what it is and that I'm trying to sell it. I've actually already typed some body text, so I'm just going to paste that here, but you can create as long or as short of body text as you want to. I just described the item, the condition that it's in and that it hasn't been used, what it could be used for, and then how much I'm asking for it. Down here you would select a category, so I'm going to choose electronics. The address field is great for especially garage sales, because if you type in your address, it'll pull up a Google map automatically that associates with that address and show people how to get to your location. So I want somebody to be able to find me to pick up this tape deck, so I'm going to type in our studio address, 908 Holmes Road. I actually have it typed right here, so I'm just going to select that and go to the next field, and then contact information. I'm just going to say please contact me by email at info@Searcy.com. So there you go. That's how fast it was. The very next field tells you that after you submit it, you'll have the option to upload a picture on the next page, and I actually have a picture for this, so I'm going to do that. And then it gives you a verification code you need to type, and this helps weed out spam. So you simply type that in. There we go. You can preview it or you can simply submit it. I'm just going to go ahead and submit it, and it'll just take a few seconds, and then once the page loads, it gives you the option to upload a photograph. So that's what I'm going to do here. You can skip this step if you don't have a picture, but I do. So I'm going to click this. It'll pull up a browser interface for your computer, where you will just simply click choose file. I'm not sure if this shows up on your screen or not, but it does on mine. So I'm just going to scroll down to where I have the picture saved, select my photograph from my computer, and click choose. As you can see there, it added the title of the image, and then you simply click upload. And depending on the file size, it'll take a little bit. Mine went fairly quickly, and so there it goes. It tells you that you can have one image per ad with these free classifieds, and you can preview your image here, or you can delete the image if you want to maybe upload another one. So what I'm going to show you now is I have several classifieds, and how you can manage that. I can either return to my classifieds, or on your side navigation you can manage my classifieds. I'm going to just return to my classifieds, and this shows you all the classifieds that I have created under my user account, and it tells you the status that each one is under. Here's the one that I just recently created here just a few minutes ago, and it tells you that this is pending. We approve all classifieds just to check it for content and make sure it's not spam, so we try to do that several times a day so it can get you up live pretty quick. The rest of these shows you that some are published, some are pending. After 30 days, it's possible that your classified will expire, and so it'll go into a renewal status, and then that way when you log in, you can renew your classified. It doesn't automatically delete it, gives you the option to renew it. So from here you can preview your classified, tells you the date that it's published, it expires, what status it's in. If you want to edit the images, you can change your image, and if you want to edit and delete some of the text, or just delete the classified altogether. So I'm going to just preview what we just created so you can see how it shows up. There's my title. It tells you the date that it was posted. Here's the description, the image that we uploaded, my contact information, the address, and as you can see now, all of a sudden there's a button there, and that automatically pops up with Google and shows people how to get to our location. I'm going to close that so we don't have to watch it load. You can share this page and type in a bunch of emails, and that's how simple it is. When you're finished, you just want to log out of your user account, and then hopefully in a couple of hours we'll get the classified, we'll approve it, and you'll be live, and the most recent classifieds will show up on the home page. So I hope you enjoy this feature, and I hope you enjoy using Searcy.com.